Hello everyone, and welcome to my Fitnessgram data analysis project. So for this project, I wanted to review the Charter Oak Unified School District, and this is included Padilla Elementary, Cedar Grove, Glen Oak, Willow, Washington, and Royal Oak Middle School. So for this project, I wanted to focus more on Cedar Grove Elementary and Padilla Elementary. So for the CAP scores for this district, in English Language Arts consists of 3 levels. Level 1, which ranged about 30.77% of students, Level 2, which was about 23.08%, and Level 3, which was 46.15%. In mathematics, Level 1 was 46.15%, Level 2 was 38.46%, and Level 3 was 15.38%. As you can see, these subjects are totally different, and you could tell with just the percentage that is shown. So but for Padilla Elementary, I chose a school because this is where I attended kindergarten to 6th grade. The total population is 548 students. The boys are about 54% and the girls are about 46%. And down below I linked the student demographics. So the data for this elementary school, there was about 61 students that did the fitness test. 28 were girls and 33 were boys. Out of that population, 77% of the students had a healthy fitness zone, and about 18% were in needs improvement. More than 3/4 of students at Padilla Elementary are very healthy, which I consider this a very well-run physical education program. I think some aha moments were understanding the percent compared to the total amount of students. And for the flexibility test, outbeats the body composition in the healthy fitness zone. So next for Cedar Grove Elementary, I chose this school because this is where I was supposed to attend elementary school. The total population is 766 students. The boys are 56% and the girls are 44%. And again, the student demographics are down below. So some data is 107 students were tested. 44 are girls and 63 were boys. Out of that, there's about 64.5% in the healthy fitness zone and about 19.6% in the needs improvement for body mass. So taken away from that, about half the students are being healthy, which means the physical education system is very well ran at this school. Only 10 more students are healthy in the flexibility than abdominal strength. So by comparing data, obviously the differences were the population of the schools, and that is very important when understanding percentages and comparing others. And also the healthy fitness zone had about a 13% difference in both schools. Some of the same information was that 1% the difference of body mass index in both schools, which I consider this the same because 1% is very low. So the factor of these differences are how well the schools ran. The population is a huge difference, and that affects how many children are being tested at the school. So what did I learn? Just because the schools are the same does not mean they have the same amount of students, which means the curriculum is different, and also all the testing, how many students are tested, the percentage, and all that is completely different. I also noticed that there was still a little amount of students in the needs improvement zone, which we could all help. By understanding all this, I could look at it when applying for jobs, learning curriculum, and also understanding students, because you always want to understand the students and where they come from before you do your curriculum. And all the schools are run differently. It all depends on the area and how well the curriculum is. And this is my resource page. So that concludes my project.